Are you intimidated by cooking with salted codfish? No worries. In today's video, I'm sharing how to make this crispy on the outside but soft on the inside salted codfish fritters, or Torrejitas de Bacalao as we call it in Panama. Let's start by making our batter. In a big bowl, place the salted and shredded cod, onion, culantro, parsley, and curry powder and mix. You can always find the full measurements for all my recipes that you'll see in my videos on my blog. Next, add the beaten egg and mix again. Now, sift the flour with the baking powder to avoid having lumps. Mix and add water until you obtain a moist but thick batter. If the mixture is too liquid, add more sifted flour and mix, 1 tablespoon at a time until the desired texture is obtained. If you have more time, let the batter rest in the fridge so the flavors integrate. Let's prepare your frying pan. Add the oil and turn it on to medium heat. Take a portion of the mixture and carefully dip it into the hot oil, and the mixture will come off on its own. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes per side or until golden brown on both sides. Try to maintain the temperature so that it cooks evenly. Do this in batches and avoid adding too many at once because the temperature will drop and that will make them absorb more oil. Remove from the pan and place on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce or hot sauce. They are just perfection. And there you have it. This delicious and crispy Torrejitas de Bacalao or codfish fritters, which are the perfect appetizer to share with your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed today's video and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep on sharing your love for food. Bye!